So we talk about the grasshopper tail by Chewy, right? We talk about each one's application, single one. But in Tai Chi pushing hand, now we talk about pushing application. So at Pong, I expect, for example, the others coming, right? Resist, under, right? So one Pong, Lu, yeah. And then I can Ji, yeah, he come to, you push me back, yeah, go, right? So that means that Tai Chi always is like a wave. This I already knew, right? Yeah, I pull and see the other and Lu. Yeah, the other not coming, I Ji. Yeah, I Ji, the other against me, I come here and now. So that's, you make the other, yeah, make the other part in this position the same, right? So I can pull, Lu, Ji, yeah, Ji, go again, like go. So that's the mentality, the strategy,
Right, back and forth.
you want to use in the pushing hand. All right. So pull, you every movement you can, yeah, have this, right? So Pong, Lu, Ji, So you can make it much smaller, smaller,
Movements,
even
yeah.
now already Pong, Lu, Ji,
Yeah.
we talk about.
Yeah.
Right here already, I have Pong, Lu, Ji,
Right.
You can apply that.
Yeah.
So make it more subtle.